Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making a very simple, delicious panic pie. It takes only a few ingredients, and I got this recipe from my sister-in-law Joanne. She called it panic pie. I don't know where she got it from, but she always made it a lot, and so I'm going to show you how to do it. It takes one cherry pie filling, you could use blueberry or strawberry if you don't like cherries. This is a layer cake or pie. I don't know where it got its name from. We're just going to spread that out. We got 1 can of crushed pineapple and heavy syrup. I'm going to spread that out. I'm just going to spread it on top. This will be a great recipe to take on a picnic because you don't have to refrigerate it. We're going to take 1 yellow cake mix, and I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. Just level it out. We're going to take 1 stick of butter, melt it real good, and we're going to pour it over the top. And then we're going to sprinkle 1 cup of chopped pecans. I've got my oven at 350. You see that I'm layering it, and I don't stir it. We're going to put it in there for between 30 and 45 minutes. I'm going to check mine at 30 to see if it's golden brown and bubbly, it's ready. Each oven is different. So let's put it in the oven. We've gotten the panic pie out of the oven and we've let it cool. It was in there probably 40 minutes, but I think 35 would have been better because it wouldn't have gotten so brown, but that's fine. I'm going to taste it. You see the cherries and the pineapple. Still a little hot, but it's delicious. Fast, easy recipe to do. I hope you try this recipe. It's delicious. It's going to be a crowd pleaser. Can't go wrong with it. If you don't like cherries, you can use blueberry, apple, any of the pie fillings I think would be good in it. It's very neutral, but my brother, his favorite was cherry. I hope you try it. My sister-in-law Joanne made it a lot, especially during the holidays and birthdays. She's brought over this for my husband many a time. When I got out of the hospital, she brought it over because my husband needed his favorite dessert. Down in the comments, let me know which pie filling you would like. Cherry, blueberry, apple. It's good with all of them. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now, before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. And if this video really helped you, scroll down and look for the thank you button. It's called a super thanks, and it means more than you'll ever know. God bless, and we'll see you in the kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.